Hello, Everything Mother family. I am so excited to tell you about Everything Consulting. This is the reason why I started this website. It's because with Everything Consulting, really, this gives me a chance to have relationships with you, to meet you, to talk to you, to build you up, to support you, to love you. And so this is really the reason why I built this site, is for this very services. Now, with Everything Consulting, if you really need just one area of your life, just a little bit of support and love, then just pick one area. If you wanted a couple areas, that's why I'm here. One of the great benefits of being 50 years old is that you have a lot of experience. And for me, a lot of my experience really is the same area. I mean, I'm a certified physician assistant, which I'll go over in a minute. But really, for about 20 years, or so, actually more like 25 years, I focused on moms and babies. So it just gives me a lot of experience. Before I begin, I'll just run through quickly some of my credentials, and then I'll go through quickly some of the categories of how I'm offering some services. So really, after my degree in clinical psychology, after I, started practicing clinical psychology, I started to hone in on mothers and babies and postpartum. I became certified in labor and delivery. So I taught childbirth classes for years, and I absolutely loved it. There's my dogs. Sorry. That's why I'm standing here, because, hang on. Okay, back to where I was. I'm trying to think where I was before the dogs started barking. So let's see, I talked about it being a certified a certified labor and delivery, which was so fun. And also I'm a certified doula, which I so loved, being with moms and their families when they're in labor. So basically a doula is a certified, well, you should be certified labor assistant. So for me to be with moms in labor and delivery was just great. And so oftentimes I teach the parents, the moms and dads, in the childbirth classes, and then I was able to be there when their babies were born. So it was just a huge blessing for me. I loved it. And then also I'm a certified lactation consultant. So that's been great too. I've helped, I want to say hundreds of moms with breastfeeding, and I believe in it. I love it. Am I crazy about it in terms of, is that the only way to feed your baby? No. So I'm not extreme by any stretch of the imagination, but is it the best way to feed your baby in terms of nutrition and overall wellness? It really is. So I'm a believer in it. But if you have a difficulty with it or have some struggles with it, I will meet you where you're at. And that's really where I am in all of the areas that I coach my patients now and new moms, is really I meet you where you're at with non-judgment and love. As much as people know about parenting from the textbooks and from clinical psychology and such, I think that really my parenting, my pearls come from being a parent myself, the mother of 4 children. And of course, being involved with parenting actively for almost 26 years, I really think qualifies me more than anything. And then also being a certified physician assistant. Of course, currently I'm a certified physician assistant, and I'm very active in working with my patients, and I love working right now in the field of aesthetics, and I also love working in the field of anti-aging. Now, as a physician assistant, I've been very active in surgery in general, and neurosurgery and orthopedic spine surgery, but now I really find great pleasure in counseling my patients with wellness and health and anti-aging. As you can see below, we have several different topics and several different specialized areas that I can help you with. If there's just one area that you need assistance with, certainly let me know. If there's several areas you want to delve into, that we can customize a package for you. I'm just here to help you succeed. I'm here to help you grow and develop and be the best you that you can be. With Everything Pregnancy, certainly is for people that are pregnant or thinking about getting pregnant. Everything postpartum, everything parenting, sometimes those tie together, sometimes they don't. But certainly with postpartum or pregnancy, we can talk about lactation as well. Parenting, really, that's for every age. Being a certified parenting educator, I believe in parenting. I'm passionate about parenting. Of course, I follow I follow Positive Parenting, once created by Jane Nelson. I'm a believer in those foundational principles. I think they're timeless. and they're everlasting. And so I can go into that more. If you're interested or have questions or concerns about parenting, please reach out, because I'm passionate about Positive Discipline by Jane Nelson and those parenting principles. Also, of course, everything CRS, confidence, resilience, and strength. I believe in women. I believe in the spirit of women. I believe in the sisterhood of women. I'm passionate about confidence and resilience and strength, and the reason for that is because I have experienced my fair share of setbacks, plural, and that's how I've developed my confidence, that's how I've developed my resilience, and that's how I've developed my strength. So, of course, through God and by God and for God, I am strong, but I'm here to share with you some of the pearls that I have developed through the years of confidence, resilience, and strength. That's an excellent area that I want to share with you. Also, weight management. Weight management, health and fitness, those all tie together, but I have some really great pearls. I believe in supplements. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. And I practice what I preach. I have a lot of room to grow. I'm far from perfect. You've seen my candy drawer, but I do know what works in terms of health and wellness and weight. Either if you want to try to reach a goal weight or if you want to maintain your weight. I've got some things I can share with you, and I've got some supplements that will really work. So please reach out and let me know how I can help. Also, menopause. Menopause is a season of life, as you know, which is what I'm experiencing right now. So if you're having some issues in this season, let me help you with that. And I can really hopefully really give you some pearls and some tools and some things that you might want to think about that will make this transition easier. I talked a little bit about everything anti-aging. I believe in it. Of course, I have to practice what I preach, because being 50 years old, everything's dropping or everything's wrinkling or everything's, different. So let me help you navigate this journey and help you be your best self with some great anti-aging techniques that will also tie into health and wellness. And lastly, a really important part of this is my Mother to Mother mentor program, which I will share with you some pearls on that if you're interested, but I'm always recruiting moms to mentor other new moms. So anyway, go ahead and reach out to me. I'm happy to be able to share with you, and I can't wait to extend this and expand this program further. And the consulting services is just so much fun for me. So please reach out. I want to help. Bye.